Good morning, students. Today I will discuss half yearly portion integration by parts today. Okay, up to method of substitution done in previous class. Now I will discuss today integration by parts. Okay, one formula, very important formula is there. If fx and gx both differentiable function, then integration f of x into gx dx, okay, the product of two function, okay. I am writing here, look at here, the statement first I am writing. If f of x and gx be two differentiable function, then integration f of x gx dx equal to f of x integration gx dx minus integration ddx f of x into integration gx dx whole into dx. Also we can write here the function fx, suppose u, this is considered v, both the product of two function uv, okay. So integration uv dx equal to u integration v dx minus integration du dx into integration v dx whole dx, okay. Again I am telling, if u and v both two differentiable function, then integration uv dx equal to u integration v dx minus integration du dx into integration v dx whole dx, okay. Say fx integration gx dx minus integration ddx of fx integration gx dx whole, this part whole integration into dx. So if we consider, suppose fx equal to u and gx equal to v, then we can write integration uv dx, taking u as first function. One rule is there, which function will take in first function and which is you will take second function. One rule is there, I will discuss, okay. Just to write integration v dx equal to u integration v dx minus integration du dx into v dx whole dx, okay. Right, first, if fx and gx be two differentiable function, keep in mind both the function differentiable function, okay. All of you know the condition of differentiability, yes. So differentiable function, then integration f of x gx dx equal to fx integration gx dx minus integration f of x integration gx dx whole of dx. If we consider f of x equal to u and gx equal to v, then we can write integration uv dx equal to u integration v dx minus integration into du dx integration v dx whole dx, okay. Now I am giving an example, okay. I am telling one more, keep in mind, very important rule is there. Suppose light, L-I-A-T-E, keep in mind, okay, light. That means L is here logarithm function, I inverse function, A algebraic function, T trigonometric function, and E exponential function, function. Suppose the sum is, suppose integration, suppose x sin x dx. One is first function and the second function. According to function, we will take u and v. See, x is here algebraic function and sin x trigonometric function. Before t a is there, so you will take this is u, this is v. Okay. Suppose log function and trigonometric functions are there, so you take first, this is first function, this is second function. Suppose inverse and algebraic, so inverse you take first function, algebraic a will take second function. Okay, so algebraic function, exponential function, so you take first algebraic function u, first function, and e, that is exponential function, you take second function. Like that you can do. Okay, see here x sin x dx, so x algebraic function, you take this is u, this is v, this is u, this is v. Okay, now I am showing the solution. Look at here. Integration x sin x dx. So this is u, this is v. Okay, so right, x integration sin x dx minus integration d dx, x integration sin x dx whole dx. Okay, see, so x sin x will be minus cos x, so minus cos x minus this is x, this is 1, d dx x 1, so x sin x dx minus cos x will be plus integration cos x dx, so minus x cos x plus sin x plus constant c. This is the answer. Okay, x sin x dx, x first function, sin x second function, x integration sin x dx minus integration d dx of x integration sin x dx whole dx, so x cos x minus x cos x plus integration d dx x 1, integration sin minus cos x will be plus cos x dx, so minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Okay, again suppose integration log x dx, integration log x dx. Okay, so look at here, log x, you can write first function log x into 1 dx, you can write. So write integration, so log x first function dx minus d dx log x integration dx whole dx. Okay, so write x log x minus log x, so 1 by x integration this only x dx, this is cancelled, so x log x minus integration dx, so x log x minus x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, log x dx, log x into 1 dx log x into dx minus integration ddx log x into integration dx whole of dx. So this is integration dx x, so x log x minus 1 by x into x dx. Okay, this is cancelled, x log x minus dx, so x log x minus x plus c. Okay, now say suppose integration x square sin x dx. So right, x is the first function, sin x dx minus ddx x square integration sin x dx whole dx. Okay, now x square, this is cos x, minus this is twice x, this is minus cos x, will plus cos x dx. Okay, now minus x square cos x plus, take two constant outside, again x cos x dx. So x first function cos x dx minus ddx x into integration cos x dx whole dx. Okay, so right, minus x square cos x plus 2 x sin x, here x ddx x1 cos x dx. Anybody? Yes, good. So cos x will be sin x. So here integral sin x, again sin x minus cos x. So minus sin x, that will be plus cos x. Okay, right, plus c. So minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus 2 cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, again suppose x e to the power x dx. Similar, right, x first function, this second function according to this rule. So integration x e to the power x dx minus ddx of x integration ex dx whole dx. So x e to the power x minus ddx x1, so e to the power x dx. So x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. Okay, next suppose say x sin inverse x dx. According to this rule, let li or I light, anyone you can write. Okay, let inverse first function, this second function. So write sin inverse first function here. Okay, x dx minus ddx of x, so ddx of sin inverse x. Okay, sin inverse x integration x dx whole of dx. So write x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. This is x square by 2 dx. Okay, so write half x square sin inverse x minus half outside take x square by root 1 minus x square dx. Okay, root 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now x square, here you put x equal to sin theta or cos theta, this part, method of substitution. Already all of you know how to solve method of substitution. Okay. Now integration x square by root 1 minus x square dx. Okay. You put x equal to sin theta or cos theta. Okay. So I am showing. This part. So half x square sin inverse x minus half. Suppose x equal to sin theta, dx equal cos theta, so it will be sin square theta. Okay, it will be cos theta, and dx also cos theta d theta. This is cancelled. So half x square sin inverse x minus, you take half is there, so here again you take common 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4, it will be 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta, all of you know, multiple angle. Okay, so 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. So half x square sin inverse x minus 1/4. Here will be theta minus sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. Okay, and you put here theta, you have to consider theta. X equal to sin theta, then theta will be sin inverse x. Okay, so right, half x square sin inverse x minus 1/4 theta constant sin inverse x. Here 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta, all of you know, here put to cancel sin theta x cos theta root 1 minus x square, right? Okay, plus c. This is the answer. So when inverse function and suppose algebraic function is given, then you have to consider inverse function as first function and algebraic function, okay, the second function, and you have to proceed. Okay, now listen, few formula there are few formula. All of you remember the formula. Okay, all of you remember this formula. Okay, so write integration root under x square plus a square dx, x root x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 log x plus root under x square plus a square plus constant c. Integration dx x square minus a square dx, x root x square plus x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 log x plus x square minus a square plus c. Remember this formula. Again, root under a square minus x square dx equal to x root a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus constant. Okay, right. Integration root under x square plus a square dx equal to x root x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 log x plus root under x square plus a square plus constant c. Again, root under x square minus a square dx equal to x root x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 into log x plus root under x square minus a square plus c, and integration root under a square minus x square dx equal to x root a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Okay, three formula. Again I am writing two extra formula there. Okay, again two extra formula. See, suppose integration e to the power ax sin bx dx equal to ax by a square plus b square. This function you have to write. Okay, a sin bx and sin bx ddx. Okay, which function will be minus b cos bx plus c. Okay, this function a is given. Put that a sin bx. Again we know which differentiate this function sin bx minus b cos bx. Okay, minus b cos bx. Again e to the power ax cos bx dx. So you can write e to the power ax by root under the coefficient, these two coefficient, x coefficient a, x b. So here a square plus b square, a cos bx. Okay, this constant right minus here plus b sin bx plus constant c. For MCQ, okay, so if you remember this formula, you put direct answers, no need to solve. You have to put direct formula. Okay, then you will get the direct answers. Okay, all of you remember this formula. Now next time I am showing, see, suppose integration, see, x sec square x dx. So this is first part, the second function. So write x first function sec square x dx minus integration ddx of x integration sec square x dx whole dx. Okay, whole dx. So write x 10x minus, this is 1, 10x dx. So x 10x minus 10x will be log sec x, so log sec x plus constant c. Integration x into sec square x dx. So write x sec square x dx. So x sec square x dx minus ddx of x into integration sec square x dx. So x 10x minus integration 10x dx. So x 10x minus log sec x plus c. Integration, all of you know, 10x dx log sec x or minus log cos x. Anyone you can put. Okay, answer will get it. And the next one. So very important, x sin inverse x by root under 1 minus x square dx. This is very important formula. Okay, all of you remember, this is very important formula. This is very important sum for ICC sum. Very important sum. First you convert it into general form. That means here method of substitution you have to apply it. Let us consider first sin inverse x equal to suppose z. So 1 by root 1 minus x square dx equal to dz. So x equal to sin z. If sin inverse x equal to z, then we know x equal to sin z. Okay, understood? Yes. So right, x equal to sin z. So sin z, sin inverse z, right, z, and dx by root under 1 minus x square, you can write dz. So dz. Now see, already done this part. First I discuss no z, sin z dz. So right, z first function sin z dz minus d dz z integration sin z dz whole dz. So minus z cos z, this is 1 minus cos z plus integration cos z dz. So minus z cos z plus sin z plus c. Just put the value, z is given sin inverse x. So right, minus sin inverse x cos z root 1 minus x square. This is x plus c. So x into, x plus root 1 minus x square into sin inverse x plus constant c. This is the answer. Very important sums are there. Okay, this is very important sum. Now next sum, integration e to the power x 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. This sum already previously discussed in method of substitution. Now how to solve by parts? Now we have to solve by parts method, by integration by parts method. Okay, how to solve? Already method of substitution we had solved this sum. Now we have to solve by parts method. Okay, so right, 1 by first function e to the power x dx minus d dx of 1 by x e to the power x dx whole dx. Okay, minus e to the power x into 1 by x square dx. Now 1 by x and integration e to the power dx, always e to the power x minus, this will minus 1 by x square, it will plus 1 by x square e to the power x dx minus e to the power x into 1 by x square dx. So both are same, this is cancelled, plus minus cancel. So 1 by x e to the power x plus c. Okay. Now similar sum I am showing. Integration 1 by log x 1 by log x whole square dx. Okay, 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square dx. Okay, now 1 by log x first function, this is second function. 1 by log x first function and this is second function. Okay, so right, 1 by log x, this function no change, sorry, no change. 1 by log s you take, only this for by parts and remaining this is no change. Okay, so 1 by log x integration 1 dx minus d dx 1 by log x integration dx whole dx. Okay, now this is no change, 1 by log x whole square dx. So x by log x. Keep in mind, if you do not solve this part, no. So this type of function so related. Here, whatever sign is there, it will come in opposite sign. That part, minus sign is there, so this part will be opposite sign will come. Plus 1 by log x whole square will come. Okay. See, 1 by log x dx. So minus this is plus 1 by log x whole square. And log x 1 by x, here also x, this is cancelled. Only dx minus 1 by log x whole square dx. So this is cancelled. So x by log x plus c. Okay. So write 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square dx. So 1 by log x integration dx minus integration ddx 1 by log x into integration dx whole of dx minus 1 by log x whole square dx. So x by log x plus 1 by log x whole square into dx minus 1 by log x whole square into dx. These two cancel, so x by log x plus c. Okay. And next class I will show you shortcut method how to solve